Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick easy chicken feet curry recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements and the ingredients will be available for you in the description box below. So let's get started with this quick and easy recipe. So to begin with, I'm going to start off with an onion which I've just chopped. I'm adding that to my pot and I'm going to saute that in a little bit of oil until my onions are nice and translucent. And while that is sauteing, I'm just going to also add a bay leaf in there. I'm also going to give that a mix just to make sure that the leaf also gets covered up in the oil and it can also sizzle away. While that is sauteing, I'm going to be preparing my chicken feet. I've also cut the nails off my chicken feet. I just find it's much easier for eating, but it's not a mandatory step. You can definitely leave the nails on there. So I'm just going to add my chicken feet into the pot. Then to that I'm going to add some turmeric. Then I'm also going to be adding some paprika. Then I'm going to be adding some medium curry. If you want yours to be more hot, you can definitely use the hot curry powder, or you can also go ahead and also add the peri powder. I'll have these alternatives in the description box below for you. I wanted mine to be as mild as possible because I am also going to be sharing this with a toddler. So I've given that a quick mix just to make sure that all the spices are evenly distributed on the chicken. Then next I'm going to be adding this soup pack mix. It just has a few soup pack items. I think you buy this at the store already mixed as it is. I did not soak or pre-soak mine before. I'm just adding them straight into the pot, and I'm adding them in while my chicken feet are still raw because they do take quite some time to cook. So I'm adding those in there. I'm giving it a quick mix just so that I can evenly distribute everything, and then I'm going to add some water. Next I'm also going to be adding some chicken stock. I'm using a stock pot, but if you don't have a stock pot, you're welcome to use the powder or the cube. Then I've just added a little bit of salt. I'm going to put the lid back on, and then I'm going to allow this to simmer for about half an hour. So after 30 minutes of simmering, you can see this is what it looks like. Our feet have also slightly swollen in size, and this is what the soup pack mix is looking like. You can see the peas in there are also starting to look like they're swelling as well. So basically they're absorbing more water, so that is a good sign. And at this point I'm going to move over and start adding my vegetables. So I am going to be adding some carrots and potatoes. I'm keeping it really simple. I can also recommend you to add sweet potato. It is a life changer. I just did not want to have that in mind this time around. And then also some green peas if you like to add that into your recipe. I just wanted to keep mine as simple as possible with just some carrots and some potatoes. I'm giving that a quick mix just so that my potatoes are well and evenly distributed. And then I'm also going to be topping up my water. So with the water, you just need to always make sure that all your vegetables are always submerged in your liquid when you are boiling. Okay, so then after I give that a mix, I'm going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to allow that to cook for another 30 minutes. And at this point you can see our chicken feet are cooked. You also want to be careful not to overcook your chicken feet such that all of the skin is falling off, because then it would be overcooked. If you would like to thicken your sauce, I'd recommend that you add some cream of mushroom. I wanted to keep mine as simple as it is, and that is it for this quick and easy recipe. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye.